today's video nga pala, June 17 na ngayon. Di na nga pala tayo nagbablog, no? At kukunin ko ang babasahin ko para matulunan yung English o Filipino. Let's find out. Nandito na nga pala ang babasahin. English na muna. English. Uy, ano ba yun? Tol, duck, leak. Duck, sentences, leak. She said that it was you, hey, and I have the duck. They is have to, but she said it was him. It was on the turtle. He is that it was in it. A duck was for you. They have that for you. She said that of you. They see it was for you. Tapos na agad. Duck, sentences, leak, chew. Look at him out there. There is some for here. Well, have to go out there. Then look up at him. I have to go when you. They have as little as he have. All of it is there. Go down there and look. I am little. They heard wings him. Okay, tapos mo na lahat. Ay, ito pala. Di pa pala. Duck sentences. Leak 3. I will get that a cat is at what you can't do. I lick his on a little worse subscribe.